Hello Crampers, my name is Arzan Akhtar and you are watching my channel Learn with Arzan. So today is Sunday and our timetable says that we have to study French. So in my last video about French, we learned and explored a little bit about France. So let's take a quick revision. I am sharing some pictures with audio. So please listen to them carefully and understood that what I am saying in that video. So let's take a quick revision of La France. This was our first topic. La France s'appelle aussi l'Hexagone. France is also called l'Hexagone, which means hexagon, because of the map of France has six-sided shape like a hexagon. You can see a map over here. It is something shaping like an hexagon. Second point is La France is Europe. France is a country in Europe. Our third point says that la capitale de la France is Paris. The capital of France is Paris. You can see some typical words over here in green box, which is s'appelle means is called, aussi means also, and la capitale means capital. Next point is le drapeau français, which is the French flag. It is of three colors: bleu, blanc, rouge. Bleu means blue, blanc means white, and rouge means red. So the point is, the French flag is a national symbol of the French Republic. The French flag is a national symbol of the French Republic. Bleu, which means blue, blanc, which means white, and rouge, which means red. You can see an image of a French flag over here. And in the green box, le drapeau, which means flag. Let's see something more about our first topic only. Les monuments, the monuments of France. There are many famous monuments, but two most famous monuments are La Tour Eiffel, which means the Eiffel Tower, or Le Louvre, which means the Louvre Museum. Louvre Museum is the biggest museum in the world. La France est connue pour, the France is famous for le fromage, which is le camembert. Le fromage, which is cheese. One type of cheese, you can say le camembert. You can again see in green box les monuments, the monuments. Connu, which means famous. Pour, which means for. Le fromage, which means the cheese. The cheese, France is famous for le pain français, which means the bread, the French bread. One example for French bread is la baguette. The baguette is the longest bread of France. Next is le vin. Vin means wine, and example for le vin, which means wine, is le Bordeaux. Le Bordeaux is an example for French wine. So next after wine is le parfum, which means Chanel. Le parfum, which means perfume. One example for perfume is Chanel. Chanel is the very famous French perfume. So after le parfum, we came to la mode. La mode is fashion of France. Again, you can see in the green box some meanings are there. La baguette, long French bread. Le pain, the bread. Le vin, the wine. Le parfum, the perfume. La mode, the fashion. So let's start our today's topic, that is l'alphabet. L'alphabet, which means alphabets. So we are going to learn the pronunciation and examples of that. So see on the screen, l'alphabet. Alphabet. A is pronounced A. You can see in the bracket A. avion. A konu avion. A is avion, which means aeroplane. Then B is pronounced bay. Bay konu bateo, which means boat. C, which is say konu khadya, which means gift. Then we came for D. D is they. D is for drapo, which means flag. E, which is is for école, school. So now F is pronounced EFF, if, which means F for fee, FILLE, fee. You can see over here it's fee. Fee means girl. Then it is G is pronounced J is garçon, boy. Then it is H is arch is homme. So in French, H is pronounced silent, okay? So it is homme, man. Then it came I is E. So I for Inde is India. So then it came J is pronounced G is for Jojo, which is a toy. K is Ka. K for kangaroo. Kangaroo is kangaroo. Then we came to L. L is eel. Eel is lamp, which is lamp. M is aim. Aim is maison. Maison means house. Then we came to N. N is in. N for Noel. Noel is Christmas. Then we came to O. O is only. And then O is for orange. Orange means orange. After O we came to P. P is pay, and it is for pom. Pom is apple. Then Q. Q is Q for quay. Quay is quay or line. Then it comes R. R is R is resin or grape. Then is S. S is is. Is is soleil. Soleil is sun. Then T. T is te. Te is tomato. Tomato is tomato. After T it's U. Uniform. Then it's V. V is way. Washer. Car. W. W is for W. Wagon or trolley. X. X is pronounced X. Xylophone. Then we came to Y. Y is Y. Y is yogurt. And then we came to Z. Z is zebra. So guys, for today only this much. Hope you all like the video. If you all like the video, please smash that like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and put on the notification bell to get the updates of my channel earlier. Bye bye. Be safe, be secure. Oa.